This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon, on load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Wow, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, our rewards will be
What do everybody
Where do you want to be? Oh, you made you let her through.
Gunner. He wants to be a gunner. I want to be a gunner. I want to be a pilot. He wants to be a pilot.
Engineer or pilot?
Engineer's good.
Okay, so.
And you're gonna be a pilot?
Sure. Do you like to go left or right, or do you like to go up and down? Pilot.
Up and down.
Up and down? All right. Oh, the Millennium Falcon is so gorgeous.
All that GoPro.
All right. Where are you going?
Turn around.
Next, my crew, do a little U-turn for me. My pilot's up the front, side by side, facing me. Gunners in the second row, my engineers in the third row. My pilots are going to be steering today. My left pilot, you're going to go left and right. My right pilot, you're going to go up and down. My left pilot, you're going to go left and right. My right pilot, you're going to go up and down. Your controls are inverse. You're going to push down to go up.
Oh no!
To go down. My gunners are going to press those flashing buttons next to you to shoot any targets. And my engineers are also going to flash buttons.
So you're left and right for you, up and down for me. All right.
Any questions? Comments? Concerns? Oh, thank you.
I'm scared.
Scared. Uh-oh. Hopefully you do not crash. We're going to go all the way down the hallway to be Fred.
Woohoo! We're on the Millennium Falcon. There's my team behind me. Why are they hiding? I don't know. Oh, this is so cool.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order trade shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will make up order.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor.
I have to be supervised.
Okay.
All right, let's sit down and put that seatbelt on.
Put the bags by your feet.
Go ahead and buckle up those seatbelts.
I missed.
Alright, my friend, just keep
I
your
missed.
feet back on. Just make sure you lift
There we go.
your seatbelt, lift it up so that your seatbelt's underneath, okay? So lift your bag up for me.
Hurry now, time is running.
Lift your bag up first, and then put the seatbelt underneath it. Perfect. Like that. Yeah. Gonna pull me double straps for you. Gonna pull on yours for me, friend. You all right? Perfect. Gonna pull on your yellow strap.
Okay, so down, up,
Down and up.
up,
Down,
Down.
down,
no,
is up.
no,
Alright.
Down. If you pull down, you're fine.
no, tell me.
Flight engineer, prepare attention. Flashing button. You got to be faster when we get up. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Pilot, you stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. Push forward to fly out. Boy, makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go with that quality up. Right pilot, bring the jump to light speed. Let's go!
Oh,
There's the train. Go, Papa. Those heavy tires are protecting the train. Take them out.
get behind it, get behind it.
They've locked onto us. Take an AC back shot.
Get behind it, get behind it. Man, we're going the wrong way. Oh no, where are we going? Man, get behind the train. Behind the train. The train beside us.
Energy.
Oh no! Get behind us, get behind us.
Oh
no, no.
Okay,
All right,
it's on to us.
go.
Yes, you got one. And sell it back there. Well, go taxi out.
Oh, Chewie, I'm sorry.
Just as I promised, my friend. Let's get another
Get up there. Get behind it. Get behind us. Get behind it.
behind the grate so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the
Yes, yes. Harpoon.
And keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train.
Right. Keep up to the train. Get that other train.
Gunship.
Gunship. No, not a gunship.
A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train.
Fire the missiles. Fire the missiles.
Star Destroyer is
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
hit the boosters.
Come on, fly. Fly.
Out of it.
Oh, whoa. Oh.
Yes, Chewie will put us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance.
Chewie's flying now.
The First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon.
Oh no.
Oh, not bad.
Oh, look at our collisions. We kept hitting things.
That was your fault.
Oh, it's my fault? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure.
Life support failure.
I'm just going to cut you off then. It might be faster if you listen to pipe step. Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
Awesome.
Read this on your grades.
Look around. Look at all the stuff the buttons can push.
That's her total?
Yeah. We gotta get out.
Yeah, we gotta get out.
Gotta go.
Thank you.
Oh, I can hear the Millennium Falcon's all damaged. You're zapping. Oh, it's shorting out over here. What the heck?